Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock your Twitter account real quickly. Now, before I can start right here, I'm going to kindly remind you that if you're using your phone, your tablet, your laptop, even any of your iOS or Apple devices, please stay in the video because it's literally the same process for all of those devices. Even though I'm using a desktop right now with a Windows OS, it doesn't matter if you have an iOS or Apple devices. That being said, please head on to Google, open any browser if you want. If you want to use Safari, Google Chrome, even though I'm using Microsoft Edge right here, it's perfectly okay. That being said, please head on to Google and then just search up Twitter appeal, okay, or help center. So basically, we don't have to log into our Twitter account right here. We just need to click on this first result, Twitter help center, and then just search up appeal, okay? So as you can see right now where I'm going with this, we're gonna file an appeal. Appeal an illegal content decision, appeal a live features, appeal or appeal. Please sorry for that. So correct me if I'm wrong, I think it's appeal or appeal. So appeal, locked or suspended account. This is the one you want, or this right here. So with this one, change your password now or get help logging in, or fill out the form below to appeal your account being locked. This one, okay? We don't want this first one because this first option isn't going to be from blocked. So click on this one, the second option, and then you are currently not logged in or logged into your account that is not suspended or locked. Please log in and log into your account that is suspended or locked in order to submit this request. So as you can see right now, I really can't show you guys a blocked Twitter account because I don't have a blocked Twitter account. Anyway, with this one, just log in with that specific block account and then go to this website. Once you're here, just gonna file an appeal, tell them what's wrong, and submit it. Wait, I think 3 to 5 business days so they can come back to you, and then your Twitter should be okay from that on. Okay? That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and that's how you unblock your Twitter account. Have a safe one, guys. Goodbye for now.